Toyota Vios 2008 to 2013 version, installed for Cogoo Android Plus, 9-inch big screen Android player. Okay, with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, Cogoo 9-inch Android Plus big screen player with OEM casing, OEM good fitting casing, and OEM socket plug and play. Radio, so you choose the frequency, save it. Okay, styling control, equalizer, okay, show for the Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. It's got a fixed line, green, yellow and red. Okay, full menu, a video input and video output, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music, a file manager to manage your file. It's got a 16 gig storage and 2 USB slot. Okay, 2 USB slot, one extension, another extension connect with the USB car charger. Okay, back to home, full menu. Okay, log in a Gmail to download app from Play Store. Waze, YouTube, Spotify can download, and others app. Styling control setting. Okay, Android player, turn on Wi-Fi, turn on player Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet. Setting, sound setting, about car, Android version 7.1, 2 gig RAM with 16 gig storage. Body setting, your back reverse camera setting. Okay, change wallpaper and boot logo. So for Android player, you have to clear apps, clear it one by one or clear all. When nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen, touch anyway to turn it on. Okay. So this is Cogoo Android Plus CG-009AD2, 2 gig RAM with 16 gig storage, with OEM big screen casing, good fitting, and OEM socket plug and play. For Toyota Vios 2008 to 2013, installed by OneBiz. Thank you.